In this video, I'll show you the eurythmic gesture for the diphthong I, its relationship to space, its being assigned to the moon, its origin in the sounds R, A, and E, and the growth principle that is active in this gesture. Have you noticed that three sounds are connected, R, A, E, that then produce the sound I?
Das sich aneinander anschließen und den Laut I ergeben.
These were also the principles discussed in finding the gesture for the moon, the A receiving, the merging activity of A, and the growth principle of E are contained in I. If one wants to experience this through the gestures of the sounds, then one can reach up into the cosmos, feel the stars above one, and allow that all to stream down in a big R on the left and right. At the level of the heart, I pull the hands together as I previously did in the moon gesture. The movement stream becomes condensed, and then the one hand continues streaming down and the other rises up, back to where it came from. The archetypal image for the I is stroking. Stroking calls forth a feeling of well-being that brings forth a sensation of expansion. If one wants to express that with the whole body, one can imagine being enfolded by a big pleasant brush against which one can rub oneself. When you can experience this brushing and stroking as an almost real body experience, then the body starts to feel well. If you then change to perceiving yourself, then you can discover a force which wishes to expand and stretch, finally becoming upright and reconnecting heaven and earth. Then you are in the I force with your whole body. In the eurythmic I gesture, the one arm glides along the other from the periphery to the shoulder, whilst the other arm slowly stretches itself outwards. A stroking without touching, as if one would stroke somebody's head without moving a hair. Try to do the movement in such a manner that the stroking hand has the role of a catalyst. Perceive the arm through the hand in such a manner that it notices that it is being perceived. The receiving arm perceives the attentiveness and interest like a pleasant warmth that encourages growth in this region, like a seed noticing the light and warmth of the sun in the earth in spring and then starts to grow. In this same manner, the arm stretches itself as a result of the hand's activity. This growth principle then rays through the entire arm and flows beyond the fingers. As everywhere else in eurythmy, the actual activity of the gesture takes place inside the body. It only expresses itself outside in the arms. The whole attentiveness and interest develops itself from within, and in the arm I perceive this, and it reacts to this. This is why this feeling of well-being develops. That which apparently only takes place outwardly in the arm also takes place in the whole body. It feels itself exactly like the arm, enfolded, protected, and encouraged to unfold itself and to grow. The three principles R, A, E are active in each eye. Depending on your intention, you can focus your attention more on the perception, feeling, and reception of the R aspect, in the meeting and exchange of energy in A, or in the stretching of the E. But that it becomes an I and not an an RA, you should always try to reach through to the stretching force of the E. Every seed wishes to grow. Stretching is its goal. I.